Hey traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Man, the market's good. I don't know if you guys got the new video I put out for the breakout bot being up like 101%. Well, it's actually up more today. And also the monster trend bot. Oh man, had another nice overnight. It's probably still got some stuff going right now, but had some really nice trades there. We'll go over all that stuff at some point today. All right, now I just put a video out for the breakout, so you saw that last night. You can just look at that for now, but check out the monster. I didn't do an update maybe in a week on the monster. The monster, guys, is up now 113. I'm going to call that, I'm going to give myself the 0.01% on this and call it 113%. All right, we had new highs 112.74. I think I did the video somewhere here at 101.53. So then we did take a loss. These percentages are in terms of our initial investment of 5,000, so everything is exaggerated now. Okay, here's an example. So today we scored 178 pips. We only gained 4.4% today. But look what that worked out here. It went from 104% to 113. That's 9%. That's double this, right? Because we have double the amount in our account than we started. So we only gained 4.5% today. But by gaining 4%, we grew 9% of our initial investment of $5,000. We grew that. That advanced another 9% overnight. So this is what I was talking about, compounding account. 2% a day for us now that we've more than doubled is over 4% a day, really, on our initial investment. Let's see what trades it took overnight. And there's open monsters right now, guys. Look at this. There's open trades on. There's a ton. I mean, this could do a lot better, or it could erase everything, believe it or not. Dollar Canada needs to go short. Euro dollar needs to continue higher. Aussie dollar. Looks like we got, and New Zealand. And wow, we have how many monsters going right now? We have Euro yen, dollar yen. We've got Aussie yen, New Zealand yen. That's 4, and dollar Canada 5. Euro dollar 6. Aussie dollar, what? 7. There's 7 separate monsters running at this moment. So I can tell you right now, this is going to be a lot better, or it's going to be a little worse. One of the two. If these markets keep moving, then we're going to be in some good shape. All right, but let's see what it did overnight. Wow, look at this. So 6-1. Look at all these trades. I mean, this is how you know the monster is moving. Can I get them all in one shot? There we go. So from here, down at the bottom, this pound yen. Look at these trades, guys. 41 on pound yen. Okay, it did not get any scale-ins. No, that was just the first entry. It's a 1-minute trend right there. That's a 1-minute trend. I made 41 pips. Aussie yen, here's a full monster right here. 3, all of them. So you got the 15-minute entry, 5-minute entry, and first entry right there. 34, 46, and 5. Interesting. See, what happened there is this only hit 5 because it was probably playing defense. It played defense and took it out, and then took the other 2 out because those got such better entries, the 5 and 15-minute. Here's dollar Canada, full one. Look at this, 51, 41, 61 pips just on that trade alone. This is overnight. I mean, this just happened. I mean, it took a few hours to get it together, but Aussie dollar. Get this bet. Oh no, this is 6-1. I'm sorry. All right, I'm sorry, guys. That was yesterday. I'm silly. It's the second. What am I saying? It's the second today. Okay, so these were the trades. Sorry. Dumb. All right, those are yesterday's trades. So today's trades, which they weren't bad, by the way. I don't think we looked at them yet. Euro yen, it looks like no entries there. Just 1 entry, 13 pips. Pound yen, same thing. Just no scale-ins, just very light trades. Light trade again on euro. All light trades here. In fact, no scale-ins on anything. That's how much the 1-minute trends were killing it, I can tell you right now. I mean, there's no scale-ins on any of these except the euro yen, which did good. Look at that, 55, 45. So that's interesting. I mean, the 1-minute trends have been doing really well. So out of 458 trades, we're still hitting 70 to 80% of our trades. All right, we've made 3,370 pips. Our risk to reward is not terribly skewed. I mean, it's not even. I mean, it's, obviously it's lower, but that's because we have the high accuracy. All right, any questions about this? We started this account when? On March 17th. The date is now June 2nd. So only, not even 3 months, guys. We're talking about 2 months, like 10 weeks we're talking about. 10 weeks. Interesting, guys. So starting balance of 5,000, current balance 10,649, and we do have open trades to monitor right now, guys. So, oh my gosh, guys, this is insane. The monster's up over. It's so high right now. I think I'm just gonna close some stuff out. It's insane how good it's doing. Aussie dollar also killing it. All right, the only thing the monster account is in right now is euro yen and dollar yen. So these are the two trades that the monster account's in. Oh gosh, this is a really great day for the monster, guys. I mean, this is nuts. Look at this. It's up to 126% now. This is what I've been showing you today. History. Look, all those closed, all those that we saw still open. In fact, this whole page is today. This is today. So far today, 400 pips. 10% gain on our current account, which is 20% on our initial investment, just today. So today, over $1,000 in profit, just today. Look, 300 pips yesterday, 400 pips today. 3,600 almost. Wow. It is an awesome day. It's trend wonderful, Scott. All right, have a good one, man. Thanks, Cole. Yeah, it's tearing it up. I think it's so funny because the monster trends was something I've always wanted to do for a long time, but never actually implemented the idea. And it's not like it's a totally new idea. This is how the trends have been trading for a very long time. This is the first time it's actually been automated. And because I think we've been doing it so long, there wasn't even much optimization that needed to be done, really. It just started working. Almost any monster setup will work for pips. I'm excited, guys, for the compound account. You know what? Look at this. Let me show you something. This is for some fun stuff. This is always interesting to me, just to see if we're on pace. If you start with a $1,000 account, you all agree, I don't know if you guys are good with math, but say we double it 4 times, you would agree that would be the same as doing times 2, that's a double, times 2, that's 2 doubles, times 2, times 2, you would agree, right? That's 4 doubles, 16,000. So this is also the same as 2 to the 4th power, right? That's 2 to the 4th. So just to show you how we can do it, we can go 1,000 times 2. Do we have a exponent here? Where's my exponent stuff? Oh wait, standard. Let me change it. Scientific. Here we go. Still watching these. So let's clear it. So let's go 1,000 times 2, and then we can say to the, right? And then we can put how many doubles we want here. So let's think about this. If we doubled in, say, 3 months, right? That was the breakout. The monster's done better. The monster in 10 weeks is already at 125. So if we double in 3, it takes 3 months. That's 4 doubles a year. We just saw that. So if you start with $1,000 and you double 4 times, oops, I only did $100. That was silly. 1, 2, 3 times 2 to the 4th, you have 16 grand. If you took a 5,000 obviously account and doubled it 4 times, you have 80 grand. Now, say you go, let's go back to our $1,000 account. Now the monster did it in 9 weeks. Say you could do it in 2 months, right? That's extreme. But say you do it in 2 months, that's 6 doubles, right? Times 2. That's 64 grand in 1 year off of 1,000. You know, even if it took you 2 years to do this, I mean that's 64x. You know, to the stock market, 20% a year is just, you're a superstar. All right, so just keep it in mind. Like the doubles, you know, we just doubled in so much time. That's the idea, is to double and double and double. And how many doubles can you get in a year? If we can get 6 doubles, I mean that's pretty serious. I don't know if we will. That's a double every 2 months. Then we'll turn 1,000 into 64,000. So if we did it for 2 years, say we did it for 2 years at that, we did 12 doubles. So 1, 2, 3 times 2 to the 12th. $4 million, guys. That's stupid, right? 1,000 into 4 million after 12 doubles. All right, I'm putting this away now. All right, let's put that away. All right, here we go, guys. Don't get shocked, guys. Don't get shocked. I'm just joking. Here it is. All right, it's up almost 130% now. So today, 463 pips, 12% gain just today. Also, went from 104 to 130 just today. So that's 26% on our original investment in one day now that we've compounded as much as we are. So we started with 5,000. It is now at 11,490. It's at its highest it's been. And there's no open trades, guys. It's profit at 6,500. Percentage getting up there because today was such an amazing day. I don't think I had any losing trades at all today. All green. Even if I go to the next page, there's more of today's trades all the way down to here. So there was a minus 12 loser. Look at that. Wow. Look at a lot of green. Now, you can go through times like this, and those are not fun. That's when it looks like this. That's when the curve looks like this. And that's going to happen. That's what trading is. It's ups and downs. All right, this is Sam Shakespeare signing out. Have a fantastic day. We'll see everyone tomorrow.